Damn, might have to call the cops. This thing's kicking my ass. All right, here's a PVC valve pressure switch or sensor. So it's got a plug that slides on. It's got a little white bracket that goes over it. Once you slide the white bracket off, which is the first lock, then it's got a second lock you got to go in and pick up and slide the actual harness off. Now what I did earlier, I tried heating these and they wouldn't come off. Tried heating this right here and it wouldn't come off. That's what they said on YouTube. Never saw anybody actually heat it. They just said they heated it. So I don't know if they destroyed their stuff when they were trying to heat it, but it wouldn't come off for me. So basically, take my good old trusty knife, run it in there, and as I get close to the bump, I raise up and then go back over to the other side. This is a little tougher than the other. Maybe I should heat it. Maybe it'll cut a little better. It's some tough plastic. All right. That last little bit, and then all I did was just bend it out. There it is. Kept the sensor, kept the factory elbow. We'll put all this back on in a minute. Got the other one. Now this one's way down on like on the turbo pipe. Like it's down in the fender area. This side was way easier to cut. Come right out. These here, you can throw them away. Now you can go order all of that stuff. That way, if you ever want to go back factory, you can just snap all this back on and you don't have to worry about all the hoses cut. My truck's not under warranty, so it really don't matter. So, let's put these on, cut hoses.